So Nothing, the smartphone brand led by Carl Pei, is all set to launch its next smartphone series in March 2025. The company has confirmed that the Nothing Phone 3a series will be officially unveiled on March 4, 2025. The lineup is expected to include two models, the Nothing Phone 3a and Nothing Phone 3a Pro. Interestingly, Nothing will likely skip the Plus variant, leaving many wondering whether the Phone 3a Pro is a successor to the Nothing Phone 2a Plus, or if the Plus series will continue separately. Let's take a look at what to expect from the Nothing Phone 3a. The Nothing Phone 3a is expected to feature a new button which will likely resemble iPhone's action button in functionality. The device is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. One of the biggest changes this time is the shift to Qualcomm chipset instead of MediaTek's Dimensity series, which powered the previous generation. CEO Carl Pei recently confirmed that the processor in the Phone 3a series will deliver 25% faster CPU performance and 72% quicker NPU compared to the Phone 2a Plus. While the exact chipset is yet to be confirmed, leaks suggest it could be the Snapdragon 7S Generation 3. The phone will likely run on Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15, along with the brand's signature glyph interface. For photography, the Nothing Phone 3a can house a triple rear camera system, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, the phone is expected to house a 32MP front camera. Furthermore, the device can pack a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging. And if the rumors are true, the Nothing Phone 3a will be launched at €349 for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant. Meanwhile, the higher-end 12GB RAM plus 256GB model might be priced at €399. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.